Hi everyone, welcome to Medina Misamis Oriental. My name is Javins Marlario. You can call me Jao or Kuya Jao. On behalf of GNL Travelers, I am your tour guide for today. Now, regarding to our rules and regulation, first, smoking is strictly prohibited inside the bus, but eating foods are allowed. Secondly, we may always follow the itinerary given to you and always stay with the group. And if you have any question or want to clarify, don't hesitate to call my attention. Is that clear, my dear tourist? Now, from Cagayan de Oro Laguindingan Airport to Medina, we will take 2 hours and 47 minutes to get there. So, while we are waiting to our first destination, let me tell you some details about Medina Misamis Oriental. Medina is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Misamis Oriental, Philippines. According to 2015 census, it has a population of 32,907 people. The town got its name from Medina Sidonia, Spain, after the Spaniard noticed the similarities of the features of the place with once Medina Sidonia. Medina has 19 barangays and the language they spoke here is Cebuano or Visayan. So a background of our itinerary will start in Pilais Ancestral House. Next is Alibuag, Cold Spring, and lastly, the Duca Bay Resort. And now we are here in our first destination, the Pilais Ancestral House. This ancestral house is located in the eastern portion of Medina Misamis Oriental, and roughly 2 hours drive from Cagayan de Oro is the historical of North Poblacion in municipality of Medina, where the Pilais Ancestral House can be found in standing still. This house had stood witness to the diverse political and historical lives of two famous bygone personality of politics arena and locality and the country as well. Don Gregorio Pilais Sr., the first governor of Misamis Oriental, and his son Emmanuel Pilais Sr., Vice President of the Philippines in 1961 under Diosdado Macapagal administration. When people ask for direction, the local town folks refers to the White House because of the walls are washed in white. You can rove around and take some picture of this beautiful house. Now we are here in our second destination, the Alibuag Cold Spring. This place is natural, cold, and has a crystal clear water. From the highway, we will need to take about 200 meters uphill climb to reach the area. The source of serene water is natural, coming from the mountain, which has contained a 100 square meter pool. Its depth ranges from 4 feet to 7 feet. The area developed by the local government and offers to a perfect haven for total rest and recreation. Comfort rooms and dressing rooms are ably provided. Bringing food is free of charge. We are here in our last destination, the Duca Bay Resort. Watch the breathtaking sunrise and sunsets. Enjoy elegant, spacious villas, open-air restaurant, and rich coral life. Make use of our scuba diving gears, kayaks, bangkas, and glass-bottom boats. Duca Bay Resort is in quiet, laid-back town of Medina. Far from the city, the resort occupies the sandy shore and a hill, and is southingly shaded by a cluster of large ancestral trees. 9 villas, spacious, elegant, and fully furnished, provided by breathtaking view of bay and the Camiguin Island. So our tour has officially ended. In behalf of JNL Travelers, thank you, my dear tourists. I hope you enjoy our tour here in Medina. I hope that this experience will be memorable to all of you. I'm looking forward to your next visit here in Medina Misamis Oriental. Once again, my name is Javins Marlario, your tour guide. This activity will be submitted to Mr. Geran Ambag and Miss Apple Kanya. Thank you for watching.